able to see each other today and I'm not in a mess. Yeah. How was your Diwali?
Okay. It was nice. What about you, ma'am?
Okay. It was also thank you so much. And how do you generally celebrate it? Do you go out somewhere or do you stay at home and everyone comes to your place? How is it?
It was very nice. I also went and someone also came in my house
Okay.
to giving sweets. We gave sweets to each other.
Okay. That's nice. Hello. Yeah, please try to.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
now
Hello.
it is better because I couldn't hear you properly. So I thought that there's something wrong with my headphones. Yeah, Akanksha. Good. And do you prepare sweets at home or do you generally buy it from outside?
No, in this year I bought from outside because my
Okay.
younger daughter. Otherwise,
Okay.
I used to make myself.
Okay. So, Akanksha, here you will say that generally I make it at home, but as my daughter was not feeling too good, I bought it from outside. Okay? Yes. So, Akanksha, before we start our session, any
Yes,
specific
ma'am.
question which you would like to ask?
Session. This is my last session.
Oh,
This is 16th.
oh, okay.
1 month. Yes, ma'am. For
Oh,
1 month,
okay.
I took. It's,
Hmm, hmm, hmm. Okay, so tell me, Akanksha, how was your journey? What do you think that would you like to continue it? Because this is the journey you, if you have started, on
yes,
this
ma'am.
journey, I would always recommend you to keep learning for some time because whatever you have learned in these few days or 16 sessions should not go in vain. One thing. Second, when you have decided that you want to do well in this language, for this you need somebody who can talk to you and who can correct you. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
whatever 1 month dedication, whatever 1 month hard work you have put in, just to see how well you have developed, I think you must continue. I'm not saying that because I'm sitting here and I want to have you as our, learner here, but just because if you have started this journey, you must try to accomplish something in it, right? Otherwise, you'll
Yes, ma'am.
again
Yes,
forget
ma'am.
it. Again, you will forget it. That is where, because you need a lot of practice with your language. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So, yes. So, Akanksha, you were saying that, as you said, that 16 sessions you have taken. So, what are those few things which you have taken it with you, which every day was a learning? In between, there is a lag. In between, there is a break in your voice is breaking, or whatever you can say. Yeah. Okay. Good. So, now should I switch off my camera so that my voice could be clear to you?
Yes, ma'am. Now it is okay.
Okay. Yeah, fine. So, Akanksha, tell me about your 16 days of travel on English Yari. Just if you have to put it in words, if you need to describe it to someone, how will you say your journey has been?
Yeah, I will tell that my journey was very nice.
Mm-hmm.
I learned many things from
I
nice
learned.
tutors.
I
Yes, ma'am.
learned. Hmm.
I learned many things from nice tutors. They give nice direction to me,
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
they they told me that for grammatical mistake where
Hmm.
so they are correcting me, and
Mm-hmm.
they are guiding me like nice teacher or nice tutor. They are guiding
Mm-hmm.
me.
Mm-hmm.
Um, so and pronunciation.
Yes, pronunciation.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
pronunciation.
ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So
Hmm.
many teacher also they told that I am doing mistake. So
Mm-hmm.
they corrected me and they supports me to improve my English.
Okay. They supported. Nice. Good.
Yes, ma'am. Nice experience with English Yari.
Okay. That's good. Always, it is so satisfying whenever Akanksha we get the learners, and if they travel a journey with us. I always feel that whatever they take it, because each and every session will be a new learning for you. So,
Yes, ma'am.
whenever you come here, you must be able to learn something and must be able to take. It won't be a wholesome thing, because every time everyone will not be able to give you 100%, but if little bit also you take it with you, it is a long, you will go a long way, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
Akanksha, tell me, what is that, this is a activity which is very interesting. So which is that one thing which, I mean, it happened today, which was
With them, I did not bust cracker much with them because
mm-hmm,
everyone was busting cracker. I think since 4 o'clock they started. Yesterday they started from four
mm-hmm,
o'clock by 4 o'clock.
okay, mm-hmm,
But I went 7:30, and after
okay,
8:30, everyone they went their house.
okay,
No one was there, so
mm-hmm,
then we came because I had many works yesterday.
okay, mm-hmm.
As I told you that my daughter was not feeling well, uh, so since many days I did not work. Uh, she has high
Okay,
fever,
she has high
so you
fever,
come
and collect her or take her back. Hmm.
and I took her. I came here that time she was.
So, because as this is your last session, any specific thing which you would like to ask or which you would like to clarify?
Mm,
Nothing specific. Nothing
uh,
specific.
like no ma'am, like you have so much experience. I saw your
Mm-hmm.
like you understand my feelings nicely.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So what should I do that for my improvement? How shall I do that? See, I have many works also to do, and I have to care my daughters. I have to teach them everything. I
Mm-hmm.
have to do all
Very good.
house inside the house also and outside the house also. I have to do all things. So what do I do for my because I'm not getting much time. Little bit time I'm getting.
Okay. So, Akanksha, let me tell you one thing, that being
Being
a
at that time
being a
I
house.
related to English. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
being a housewife or being looking after the home and children, it will stay with you forever. It will stay with
Yes,
you
ma'am.
forever. You will have to
Yes,
take
ma'am.
out time from that, and wherever you can get time, you will have to start learning your English. Say, for example, whenever you are teaching your kids, you are sitting with them, you can pick up their books, you can pick up their English book, and they have the stories there, they have the exercises there. So try to do your learning also with their learning. Wherever you go, whenever you meet someone, try to see that where you can include your language as English everywhere. It could be at home, it could be in, because time will never come that you will sit, relax, and you will start learning English. No, it will never come. Let me tell you
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
Because
Yes,
every
ma'am.
time you will feel, no, English is there important, but not as important as my cleaning, or as important as my cooking, or as important going and picking up my children. So every time your wants or your learning would be at the backstage, then rather than being the forefront, right? So you have to take out that little time from everywhere, and you will have to start keep on your learning experiences,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Secondly, how do you improve wherever, whenever you see something? Do you know everything in English? It is an ongoing process. It's not the one day process where you just go ahead, learn your grammar, and you will be thorough. No, you will have to slowly and steadily pick up those words, pick up those vibes, pick up, you listen to good English, you read good English, and you will see that you have made that improvement. Whoever is your favorite person whom you like to listen to, try to listen to him or her. When you start listening on a continuous basis, you will see that you have picked up few words, vocabulary. You have started getting those inputs that, okay, fine, yeah, this sentence he has spoken like this, and I generally speak it like this. So you yourself will start noticing that here I'm going wrong. I need to work on this. So, and again, speaking is also equally important. Learning,
Yes, ma'am.
reading, all those things will come. But when you start doing it on your own, you will have to speak also. So, where do you
Yes,
speak and how do you correct yourself? As I said, that record in your own voice whatever you have spoken. It could be the paragraph, it could be the story, it could be the conversation, and try to listen to it again if you don't have anyone around you. And they'll tell you, okay, your phone will tell you, or you will listen to your own conversation. You'll feel, oh God, did I say this? This is wrong English. This I should have corrected like this. Or something like that.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
But you have to pick up those time, or you have to take out those time for yourself wherever, whenever you get it.
Okay.
Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, my habit is my from my childhood. My habit is like this. If 12 o'clock it will happen, or 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, first I have to do worship, morning worship, evening worship. I have to do. It will take 30 minutes. Then I will eat something.
Hmm.
I don't know, but
Already you said that because your daughter was not well, so you could not enjoy your Diwali as you would have enjoyed it otherwise. So what is
yes,
that
ma'am.
one good thing would you like to share?
Mm, because because of yesterday work today,
Mm-hmm.
because till yesterday I finished all work. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, did you like that movie?
I did not see full movie. Half I saw. It was nice.
Okay. Okay, so which one is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie mostly we like Surya Vansam,
Okay.
and that family movie mostly I like, and that comedy movie. My
Okay.
favorite is comedy movie.
Okay, so which one is your favorite comedy movie?
फिर हेरा फेरी गोलमाल एंड
Mm-hmm.
ऑल हेरा फेरी ऑल फिर रिटर्न गोलमाल रिटर्न्स
Mm-hmm.
so
Okay,
all
so
comedy
you.
movie I like.
Yes, yeah, they all are very good, very
Yes,
entertaining,
ma'am.
and
When
something, yes.
yeah, actually I don't want I we don't see movie in my family.
Mm-hmm.
No one is watching mobile sorry movie and serials. Only
Okay.
my children they see only they saw sorry they see only cartoon, and my husband and me movie that time we searched any comedy movies, because for laughing we
Okay.
will sit together and we will
Yeah.
laugh together.
Okay. Yes, that's good. That's good. So, Kanksha, did you get your favorite shopping place?
For grocery, we used to go D-Mart. D-Mart, we
Okay.
loved their price, and
Mm-hmm.
Reliance was also nice, but mostly we
Okay.
used to go D-Mart. And
Mm-hmm.
second one is for Kakaria Lake. Every
Okay.
Sunday we used to go Kakaria Lake. We sit there and
Okay.
we eat something and we enjoy with my kids.
Okay.
And sometime Akshardham also we went there. Uh, Gandhinagar in.
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Mm, I think mostly places I visited, but name I if you will tell, then I will get remember.
Okay.
Any
No, but
zoo was also there. Zoo
yeah,
was
zoo
also
zoo
there.
is also good. Yeah, zoo is also
Yes,
good.
ma'am. We visited there also, but
Mm-hmm.
mostly we used to go Kakaria Lake. It was near of
Okay.
my house. It was not far.
Okay. Okay. So there is a place in city area known as Dhalgarwar, Ratanpur, and all those places where you get nice clothes, cotton clothes. So it is
Okay.
a hub of clothes where you can get It's a wholesale market sort of a thing where you get nice cotton clothes. So if you are interested
Okay,
in that,
okay.
you would be knowing it, because Gujarat is famous for fabrics. Gujarat is
Yes,
famous
ma'am.
for
Yes, ma'am.
cotton fabrics. Yes.
Cotton.
So
Yes, ma'am.
yes. So one of the best cotton you get it in Ahmedabad. So, and
Yes,
that is a
ma'am.
hub. If you ever go there, you will feel it that, yeah, it's nice. I think Chennai is also a good shopping place where you have many industries, where you have many textile industries there.
Costly here. Everything I
Mm-hmm.
saw more than other
Okay.
state. If this state is costly. Gujarat also,
Okay.
it
Okay.
was nice. Price was very nice, and quality, cloth
Mm-hmm.
quality and material was very nice.
Hmm, hmm, hmm. Okay. But nice talking to you, Akanksha. Keep doing your hard work and take out time for yourself. Time will not come to you. You will have to catch that time, and you will have to
Yes,
go
ma'am.
ahead and do something for yourself. So that
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
only key which will keep you going, and then you will be able to learn. Okay. But nice talking to
Okay.
you. You have a pretty charming face and keep smiling
Thank
always.
you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank
It
you.
was nice conversation with you, ma'am. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
same
Thank you
here.
for
Take
advice,
care.
ma'am.
Yeah, take care. Bye bye. Take care of yourself and take care of your daughter also. Bye bye.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye
Bye bye.
bye. Bye.